Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today we're going to start our second group in our technical exercise series. We are in Book 1, Group 2, Exercise 1. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, liking and subscribing to my channel. Also, feel free to share my videos with any of your friends and family. So first of all, this particular exercise is going to cover more of the keyboard than I am unable to unfortunately show on camera. I do apologize for that. Maybe one day I will figure out how to put the whole keyboard on the screen, or maybe just getting a better camera might do the trick. If you have any suggestions or ideas on how I can do that, feel free to leave those in the comments below. Okay, so yes, we are going to be so we've got middle C here. 2 C's above middle C, and then also the G here, and the C that's just off camera here above that. Okay. Then in the left hand, we're going to be using this C, which is just below middle C, and then we're also going to be going 2 C's below that to what would be the lowest C on the piano, and then the G right above that. I will do my best to insert some pictures to show you, some diagrams to show you exactly where those notes are, and I'll try to indicate it also as we play through that. So hopefully it will not be that confusing. Okay, so we're just going to have 2 chords in this exercise that hopefully you should be familiar with now. We're going to be playing the C chord, which are the notes C, E, G, and the G7, which just are the notes B, F, okay? Other than that, we're going to be playing those high notes and low notes that I showed you before. All right, this exercise does use the pedal, so I'm going to demonstrate it with the pedal. If you don't have a pedal, a damper pedal, or you just don't feel comfortable with using it, feel free to omit that. But I will be demonstrating the exercise with the damper pedal. Okay, and it's just going to change when the chord changes from a C to a G7 and then back to C. That's when you would change the pedal. All right, so we're going to start. I'll go through the right hand first. The right hand's just going to play a C chord for 2 beats. 1, 2. Then we're going to travel up past this C, up again to what I like to call this high C with our 5th finger. We're going to play that for 2 beats. So it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to come back down, change our pedal, and play G7. 1, 2. Then we're going to come all the way up past that C that we just played right here, and we're going to come up to G for 3, 4. We're going to come back down to the C chord. 1, 2. We're going up to that high C again. 3, 4. And then this is where we're going to move off the camera up to the very next C, just 1 octave higher, and hold that for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that a little more smoothly. 1, 2, 3, 4, G7, 1, 2, up to the high G, 3, 4, back to C, 1, 2, high C, 3, 4, all the way up an octave higher, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's look at the left hand. The left hand is going to start here with the C chord just below middle C. We're going to play the C chord for 1, 2, then we're going off camera down to the next lowest C, 3, 4. We're going to come up and change our pedal and play G7, 1, 2. Then we're going to go to the G, that's going to be the lowest G on the piano keyboard below the C we just played before, 3, 4. Coming back up to the C chord, 1, 2. Back down to the C an octave lower, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to the lowest C on the piano. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I apologize if those notes are off camera. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that hands together like this. We're going to play the C chords together. 1, 2. Then we're going to move the right hand up 2 octaves, the left hand down 1 octave. 3, 4. Bring it back into G7. Change the pedal if you're doing that. 1, 2. Now I'm going to go up to this G above the C we played before, and the left hand's going down lower than the C. This is the lowest G on the piano. 3, 4. Move hands back together for the C chord, new pedal. 1, 2. Move them back out to the C's we played before. We got this low C out of camera, this high C, 3, 4, and then move 1 octave higher in the right hand, 1 octave lower in the left hand to the lowest C on the piano, and the second high C, going to go through it without all the talking. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we have it. That is book 1, group 2, exercise 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be back next week to show you how to do exercise number 2. And until then, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.